chat. Anyone?
What's up, dude? You still dead stream?
Yeah, bro. Check out my stream stats, bro.
Dude, holy shit! You even kept those viewers till now. After TwingeCon, you should move to Austin and join all the other 100-viewer Andys. Anyway, right?
Let's do it, bro. I'm all out of... Dude, my stream is effing. There's no fucking service down here.
Sorry, dude. I couldn't find any spots closer to the elevator.
I told you, bruh. You should have just dropped me off. Fuck, we need to get out. I'm losing viewers.
Fuck! Your view count's taking an L right now, dude! Follow me. I know where it is. Follow me, dude! It's up here! Hurry, dude! There's no time to talk!
Chat, can you still hear me?
I think we take a left. No, right. No, it's definitely left. We're almost there, dude. Sorry about that, dude. Did you lose many viewers?
I don't want to talk about it, bro. I'm a fucking dead streamer again.
Nah, we had TwingeCon, bro. This is the place to network. Those views you had were amateur numbers compared to what you'll get here. Trust me, bro.
Nah, you spitting facts for real, though. There's gonna be so much shit here for me to farm. I was tripping. Yeah, you're right. I'm the fucking GOAT.
That's some nonchalant dreadhead energy right there, dude.
Yo, mods, make sure you're clipping stuff for my Slip Slop channel. What up? Here for my entry badge. Name's Caden Brent.
Okay, let's take a look here. Doesn't seem like you're partnered. This is the partner line.
I am, though. My application got accepted right before I got here. Must not have gone through yet.
You know I can see your account details, right? You've never applied for partnership.
How about I apply to be your partner then, Shotty? You looking like a whole Dr. Yeast meal.
Do you want to get banned from the convention? I said go to the other line.
Don't wait up for me, dude. I gotta get my badge and find some e-girls to reserve.
What up? Here for my entry badge. Name's Caden.
Did you just cut those people waiting before you? Back of the line, we'll call you up when it's your turn.
Please, I need to get in there. I just lost like 200 viewers trying to get through the garage.
Absolutely not. Back of the line.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. I live with my dad. I wanna help her out. Why you trying not to laugh, bruh? That's disrespectful as shit, bruh. Look at you smiling, bruh. You disrespectful as shit, bruh. Why you laughing at me?
Okay, fine. Here's your badge. You're free to go.
Next person in line, please.
Yes.
Yo, off the record, why'd Doc really get banned?
He walked up to staff asking stupid fucking...
Stupid fucking mis-
Hello? I am streaming. You are also a Twin streamer?
Yeah, I am.
It wasn't a question. I am here to network in hopes of taking...
Get the fuck out of here.
Allow me to use your network for my own now.
I said, fuck.
No loss. Statistically...
I gotta...
Till the end of time, my streamers bring, and this I know, they are my best.
Hey man, I'm out here doing freestyle raps for people. Can I?
Yo, bruh, can I spit some bars?
Yeah, sure. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, I got 20 bitches in my DMs. TwingeCon to CM. They be saying Kaden, give me some more semen. Yeah, straight.
Yeah, nice, bro. That was certainly interesting, but it's my turn now. Give me some words and I'll freestyle straight off.
First word,
Aight, okay. Did
goon.
Aight, word. Goon. Got it.
Ohio.
Aight, word.
I'm Harry Crack. Shit, bro, that was fucking fire.
Hell yeah.
Yo, Tyson, big.
Turn out to be racist.
I am very. Yes, I am very smart.
Smart about
Everything.
Didn't you never finish?
What are you talking about? I think I'm going through my third P.
Holy fuck.
You better not be making fun of me.
Dude, there's what? Move!
Even though they're not. Interact with your audience regularly. Oh, looks like we have a question from the audience. Yes?
Yo, Unc, I'm a new streamer. Got any ideas?
Well, I have to be straight up. I know for a fact that most of you in here, and this might be my God complex speaking up again, but I am better than you. I do think of myself as better than the average person. Not everyone has my X factor.
I actually wasn't asking you, bro. I was asking the dude in.
Huh? Okay. Then,
Give him the mic, little.
I don't need to do that.
Bruh, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
of course you do.
You are the.
I am. You will all learn your place beneath me. No one can stop me, and no one will. You know why? Because deep down you know I'm better than you. You know I'm right. Hey, what are you doing? Stop it. Your God demands it. This is blasphemy of the highest order. No! My prophecy is realized.
And this I know.
Oh my god, third party, third party, third party.
Oh, you're so bad. Uninstall the game.
How many times do I have to fucking tell you, Kaya?
Take the beat.
Box, bro, box.
Die, you fucking mutt! Kaya, please stop existing!
Dude, this map is dog shit.
Kaya, sit the fuck down!
Bro, my teammates suck.
Down one, down one.
Sit or I'm going to kill you!
Yes, I just got an ace.
Bro, I'm so good.
Kaya, do you wanna fucking die?
Go take the beat.
Kaya, it's only 500 volts. You're being such a baby.
You're so bad. Honestly,
Oh my god, where are we dropping?
Kaya, I'm gonna fucking kill you!
flashing mid.
Yes.
Don't make me get out the fucking cattle prod, Kaya!
Oh, my teammates suck.
Stupid fucking mutt!
This map is dog shit.
Oh my god, he's cracked. He's literally cracked.
Want the electric chair again, Kaya?
One shot.
Capitalist
One shot.
fucking mutt!
Oh, my teammates suck.
Kaya, sit the fuck down!
Yes, I just got an ace.
Stupid fucking mutt! times do I have to fucking tell you, Kaya? Die, you fucking mutt! Sit or I'm going to kill you.
Captain's 120, he's still running.
Bro, my teammates suck.
Kaya, it's only 500 volts. You're being such a baby.
Yes, I just got
where are we
ace.
dropping?
Kaya, please stop existing.
Flashing mid.
Kaya, do you want to fucking die?
Yes, I just got an ace.
I'm trying to unlock Sierra. What do you want?
Bruh, is this a Coomer game? Why the fuck?
It's so much more than a Coomer game, dude. It's a turn-based strategy.
You should strategize how to get some.
I don't need hoes. My sex goddesses that.
Yo, staff, we gotta fuck. Yo, bro, what you watching?
I'm watching a Vampire VOD.
Bro, you know she's at the con, right? You can just go out there.
Why would I do that?
What? I'm playing CSO. Just switch sides.
Why are you just playing video games in here? Why'd you and everyone else in here pay $300?
What else is there to do?
I'm so fried. I'm so fried.
Go tell streamers.
Why?
Why the fuck are you?
Oh, you're so bad. I'm trying to defuse, bro.
Yes,
my teammates
let's drop
suck.
Crooked Tower.
Flashing mid.
Hey, how long you planning to play?
I don't know. For a while.
I want your computer though.
What? Why?
I have a brain condition where
Oh,
OCD's nuts.
please leave me.
What you plan, bruh?
I'm fucking killing children in Fortified. 4 out of 100 left.
Try picking up the minigun.
Dude, shut the fuck up. I got this. Stop back.
Loot the chest, bro.
Stop, dude.
Throw a grenade into that house.
Oh shit. You were right. I fucking done this.
That was all me, bro.
That was my dub, bro.
Hey man, you need view bot? I sell.
Hi, I'm Annie. I'm a little bit.
I'll take more than just a selfie found shit. Let me.
What? Were you gonna finish your sentence? Huh?
Bro, what the fuck are you doing?
Huh? Huh? What? You can't talk? Finish your sentence, little bro.
Yo, okay, my bad. I didn't mean it. I'll leave you alone.
Huh? What? You thought I'd react how they usually did? Loser! You're a loser.
No.
Huh? Huh? See? You are. You're a loser. So, did you? Yay! Okay.
Cheat.
Good boy. Now go away.
What do you want? You better not be asking to cut in front of me.
Hey, found shit. What you doing waiting for someone as mid as Halal? You should be going out with me.
Ew, no. Halal is 2,000 times hotter than you will.
He's so sleeper, bruh.
Ugh, you just don't understand.
You said.
God,
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Hey, you're streaming, aren't you? Holy smokes! I just got affiliated. Can I get a shout?
Fuck off.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, shout.
Wait, I know.
Yeah.
That's me. Hey, no cutting.
Who you in line?
Are you illiterate?
Sheesh.
Dude. I said no.
God, I can't wait to meet Amaranth.
She bad.
Fuck, yeah.
What are you gonna ask her?
I'm gonna show her my tributes. Do you want to see them?
Fuck no, bro. Good luck.
Stay in line, stay in line. Can I help?
You look easy to draw.
What is that?
No riz.
All right.
Oh shit.
I've been waiting for you.
they want.
Yo, what up, Scheme? Big fan, bruh.
Oh, go ahead. Say your jokes already. Everyone else already has.
Everyone else? You're meeting...
Wait, you're...
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, wow. You're streaming this, I take.
Yeah, bro. I stream my entire life and I never turn it...
So, like, what do you do when you goon or have sex? Do you go to a different platform?
I'm 17, bruh. Quit being...
Oh, shit. Anyway, I got a big comeback stream planned.
I believe in you, bruh. We could do...
Thanks, man. Tip for you, man.
I ain't...
You know what? This line...
Yes, sure. Whatever. I'll have one.
Damn, found shit. I didn't even have to ask. You'll have my kids?
What? No. You're not giving out business cards?
Shit, I don't have any business cards, but I can give you my number, shawty. Hit me...
Yeah, no.
Hi, can I get a picture?
Sure, bruh. Yo...
Yeah, you're Camden. Camden something, I think. Yeah, I'd love a picture.
You don't even know my name.
I saw a clip of you, though. You found a...
Go away.
Whatever.
Psst, kid, you want to hear some secrets about your favorite streamer?
Fuck yeah, I...
Did your main boyfriend name drop? That's $200.
Fuck that, bro.
Whatever.
Dude, you can't be streaming in here.
Stupid fucking mistakes, man.
Hey.
What do you mean? Are
No, this a turn. I'd have to go downstairs.
Yo, bro, one catch.
Oh, that'd be nice.
No, you'd be more...
Oh, that sounds fun, I guess. I'll just see some brain rot shit. Sigma, Ohio!
Asking to get a call with you.
Mama, those blocks are moving and shaking.
I'm a tier 3 sub.
You violated the TOS.
Sigma, Ohio!
Okay, I'm sick of having a pet. I'm putting...
Oh, okay. Too much shit to do! I can't decide!
Just follow me around, little sis. I'll choose what we do. Only thing is, you gotta enter...
Oh, that sounds fun, I guess. I'll just see some brain rot shit.
What?
Hi.
Back off! Bree did not consent to your...
I don't want to talk to her.
Oh. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Hold on, Dwee.
Well, you orbiting... Who's...
Oh, Dwee?
You two date?
No. She's my best friend business partner.
So, since you're just friends, you don't mind if I risk...
Yeah. No way.
OF Lynn.
She's kind of...
Hi there. Would you like...
So, how about we get at it?
Oh, wow. You...
What? That never works. Why the f...
Space
I
for
don't care
Duke
to know
Daniel.
Sup, bruh? How much for a glitch?
$30.
Chat, we are so fucked. Yo, bruh, you wanna play a game of Would You Rather?
Sure. Why not? Okay, let me think. Zoomer or Gen A Brain Rot?
Gen A rot, bruh. I'd be nothing without my Ohio...
Fight 100 duck-sized bears or one bear-sized duck?
The duck, bruh.
Have no
what I...
No! It'd be too slow.
No internet.
Be a huge streamer with a community that you hate?
Bruh, easy...
Become the smartest person in the world. Oh.
The smartest?
Okay. Last one. Sit or stand?
Sit, bro. What the...
Okay.
Sigma, Ohio, Goon.
Yes?
Yo, bro, you should check out. No.
Twin. Sigma or high?
What's your net worth? Yo, bro. Quick question, bro. What's your net worth?
Why do you want to know?
Net worth.
What?
Huh? Okay.
I'm shaking.
What's up, bruh? Why you just sitting here?
Andrea.
What you gonna do if she...
She...
Yo, I'm gonna need security over here.
Hi.
World's fastest 6'7". 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7".
6'1", 6'1", 6'1".
Edge Master Goon.
Fuck, bro.
We Charlie Kirk, bruh. Did I?
World's fastest 6'1", 6'1".
What is this Diddy Bot doing?
Okay, fuck.
Oh my god, I got a streaming drone too. You wanna touch drone tips?
I'm a minor, bro.
I spent 10K on this bad boy. How'd you afford yours? Wanna exchange that?
Bruh, you're killing.
So exciting.
Hey, quick few questions for you if you have the time.
Just make.
Okay. What's your body count?
You shouldn't. Okay, is that?
You look like my brother who died when. Maybe my mom lied to me about him because she didn't want.
Bruh, how would you know if I looked like him if he was never born?
I had a few dreams.
Okay, bruh.
Cool.
Holy fuck.
Only a couple more hours.
That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Dude,
You washed, bruh. I'm the better brain rot.
what the fuck do you even mean, dude? Look, listen here. Listen here, fucking bozo. I got your house on my mother. Okay, look. First of all, okay, look.
Hey, bro, what's good?
Holy shit, bro. Yo, man, you know what you should...
You streaming this?
Okay. The slop that they were serving us was kind of.
What's up, dude?
Yo, dude.
I fucking love you, dude, but there are a lot of snake fucks.
Who's a snake?
Just weird snaky fucks everywhere with sh.
I don't know, bro. That's...
Oh, so you are...
Streaming in here, you know.
Snakes, dude.
You what, mate?
Sup, shawty?
Fuck off, mate.
Hey, what's up, mate?
Yo, pub.
Aw, thanks, man.
Huh?
Tiny ass legs.
My legs? Huh, yeah.
I was just...
Huh? No.
Supposed to be streaming.
Hey, what's up?
You trying to be the queen to my king, fan?
Just no. You look 12.
Fuck you. I didn't want you anyway.
Great.
God,
Okay.
so hot.
Fucking snakes, dude. There was a fire.
Oh, hello.
Yo, so...
Please, leave me alone.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Digi, I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. I wanted to ask, can I take you out to dinner? Not the fuse bowl.
That's so nice.
Hells yeah. W.
Hello?
So, you trying to cosplay as my girl?
No thank you. That's
Are you fucking kidding me?
okay,
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, center, fine shit.
Bro, who the fuck even are you?
What's up, man?
Yo, bro.
Bro, you serious? Yo, there.
Yeah, bro. They...
Told you. I may cheat. By the way, are you streaming in here? You're not allowed to.
Yeah, I got stopped on the way.
Sick. So, you...
I genuinely, it's the only thing I...
Well, stick with me, and only me. Do you understand? I can make you the biggest streamer on the planet.
How you gonna do that, bruh?
Well, my philosophy is, and what I want is right in front of me.
Hey, yo, what?
Hey, don't act coy. No need to play hard to get. I know what you want, and I have a feeling You know what I want.
Bro, you trying to rizz me up?
Come on. All the fun is ruined when you spell it out like that.
But you know I'm a minor, right?
You said you're what? 17? I mean, age of consent in most states is 16, 17. It ain't a big deal. You're basically an adult. I want you and I to have just a little innocent fun. I'll give you my hotel room number and you can meet me there later. What do you...
Oh, you're done for, bozo. The whole world's gonna know you're a pedo now.
Right. And who's gonna believe you? Do you know how...
Yeah, difference is, my stream was on this whole time.
What? You told me your stream was off. Security! No, guys, I misunderstood, okay? Like, when he said he was a minor, I thought he meant like he mines, like in Mineshaft. Like, I was trying to teach him speedrunning, you know?
Holy fuck, bro. I'm fucking famous.
Not sexually. Fuck!
Sturdy Akiway.
Bro, there you are. You ain't gonna believe it. I just hit a clip of Scheme trying to groom me. I'm at the top of Shreddit.
No fucking way! Really?
I'm so dead ass, bruh. Scheme ducked the fuck out when he realized what was happening. That was my ticket out of dead streamer arc, bro. Fuck moving to Austin. We skipping straight to LA. Let's get the fuck out of here. We finna start an LA streamer house and shit.
Tung tung tung.
Chat, stop. I'm not getting it right. It doesn't feel right.
I'm not shocked, chat. Stop saying that I'm shocked.
Do I really gotta go outside? I have to. I've been hard stuck 3K subs, bruh. Fuck it. I gotta bring back the IRL.
Sub Caden? Guess what, dude? My subs jumped from 800 to 1200 in 1 week.
Rent's due, so I'm gonna need that new sub money. Your bald ass was late on your shit by a week last time.
Bro, I just ordered a new Sky Synapse drone yesterday. Give me till my next Twinge paycheck hits, and I got...
This ain't a homeless shelter, bro.
Okay, dude. Chill. I have a sponsored stream this week. I'll get you then.
You better, or your bald ass...
Yes. What do you need? I'm currently...
Yeah, I'm streaming too. Been getting...
My slip stops have been... And if I wrap my... Yesterday, Kaisen...
Okay, don't piss me off, bro.
Mods, do the thing.
Yo, Caden, you got any blow? I'm all out and my dealer's low-key ghosting my ass. I still got some ketamine.
Bro, ever since we moved to LA, all you've been doing is coke. You got a problem, man.
All I've been doing? You gotta be capping, dude. You forget that I've been managing your useless ass this. Without me, you would've slipped into irrelevancy after that Scheme clip.
Fuck off, bruh. I got that clip on my own. All you've been doing is getting me sponsors, setting up...
Yeah, that bullshit is the reason... I heard the president is visiting here soon. That...
No shot. President Cletus Cornwall?
Yes, dude. After all the tariff shit, they started funding all. But the Prez is coming here for a grand opening in a week. You gotta get big enough to get an interview with him.
Fucking hate Caden Ross, man. He stole my fuck.
It's stacked, dude. You gotta top his interview. Just hint, it's your only shot to making it huge.
You know of any good content I could?
Yeah, dude. Go start shit in the mall. Or the homeless camp behind our house. Yeah, there's some cringy.
I bet, bruh.
Hi there, do we know you?
Yo, who?
This is the online TV house, you know, Double Jade?
Did you, main? Damn.
No, I'm Stara. I'm the one who owns online TV.
Yeah, no, she's the owner.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm the leader of...
Yeah, alright, lead.
Only if you're worth knowing.
Alright, take a look. I'm worth...
No. You don't have enough viewers.
Holy shit, Sinner! Why the fuck didn't Gerard tell me you were across the...
Huh? Who's Gerard? You talking about Stable Geraldo?
Yo, can you say it? Say the word.
No, I don't like...
Come on, I gave you the pass.
Dude, what?
So, what are you doing out here?
This is the Fuse Clan house. I'm the newest honor...
Bruh, I know what it is. I'm asking you what you're doing out...
They told me to stand out here and open the door for people.
Alright, do your job, little sis. I'm trying to network with
Hey! You better be fucking nice.
Alright, chill. Look.
Nah, nice try. You ain't got the clout to...
Spare some fan.
Throw me a follow, chat.
Bro got deleted over there.
Gosh, do you see all that blood?
Chatting.
Kid, you can't be... Oh, God. You shouldn't...
You know damn well I ain't some back alley pansy, Davis.
Do I know you? I'm Officer...
I'm just here to scrape the truth out the gutter.
Jesus Christ. You really want to know? The sicko who did this cut the victim.
Any eyes on the scene, Davis?
We questioned the people who found the body.
You just ain't asked the right question.
Hey, get back.
And that's all I hear.
Why are you calling me Miles?
Cut the shit, Miles.
Victim's in his 20s.
Time's ticking, Miles.
Look, kid, we don't have...
Dude, holy cow.
You catch anything going down, pal?
Well, I watched...
You know who the poor stiff is?
No.
I'll call him shit on a shoe for all I...
Bro got deleted.
You catch the show, kid? See the...
Bruh.
You know who the poor stiff is?
Nah, bruh.
Alright, stay out of trouble, kid.
Gosh, do you see all that blood?
Evening, Toots.
Oh, goodness. What was that you called me? Toots?
I don't talk sweet to just anyone, Toots. You're one of a kind.
Oh my, what a forward young man. To answer your question though, no, I didn't see anything. I just got here while taking...
That's a damn shame.
Oh, it's you again?
I gave him the full treatment, Davis.
Yeah, that's what I said already.
Can't work blind, Davis.
Not a chance in hell, kid. We're gonna be...
Caden's journal. Coppers in this grind.
I can hear you, you know. Oh, it's you again? What do you want, kid? This is an...
Kid,
The murder weapon. A knife. No marble fates. Someone wanted to send a message. Caden's journal. Entry. City doesn't... Whoever did this... Body on the floor. Bowl cut. Outdated. Wait, that key's on the body. Question is... Chat, tell stream. Caden's journal. Entry 4. Each headline whispers the same hook. Slip slapper last month. Looks like someone's targeting content. Photo frame on the nightstand. A girlfriend. Didn't think he had it in him. Guess she's smiling in the picture. I need to figure out who she is. Business card on the ground. QR code printed dead. Luna Lush's house. I can still smell her computer still on. Probably find Grassy. Her messages. She was talking to a recruiter pitched the service. Pharmacy redemption. Digital detox. Reputation she wanted out. Probably tired of being called an online. Need to bait out the
Hello, thank you for calling Made Wholesome. How can I help you today?
Evening, Toots. That voice of yours? Smoother than...
I can see why you've reached out to us. The first step of our program, your first task, will be...
Click. The call ends. Chat, is this real?
You be... Oh my, wow.
Damn, shit. Man, I stab your head.
I'm at...
Oh, my eyes are bleeding. Look.
Yeah, I guess needed. Fuck, man.
The top deck, can we?
Hold up. Ain't you the hope?
The Profi, man. The song.
Yeah, PVC. I love...
The boys need you. Now they left.
Nah, bruh. I...
Hit it. The face.
Yo, chat. Should I do this? Aight, that...
Well met, thou art awakened.
By the gods. Chat.
The ice has granted the clan.
I stunned ready.
Go forth.
Who is that in front of me? Ah! What is that creature above you watching?
Fear not, your grace.
Gods, I thought...
Your grace.
Eh? Ah, so...
A shadowed alchemy.
Forgive me, lad. I took you for an errand boy.
Who are you, then?
I am king.
And where am I?
You stand at needle's reach. Your increase suggests you're a stranger to this.
Why do you dream of me, old man?
Mind your manners, boy.
No. You took these...
A soul as fiery as yours.
Are you telling me to lay...
No, my lad. She's promised to one of the prince.
Aye. I'll see it done.
Please!
Your father sent me to ease your troubles.
My father promised the lord of our neighboring encampment I would marry one of his sons. Now I must wed one of these Mathari.
Don't fret over it. All you need to...
Is that meant to ease my mind? Aren't you here to aid me?
I'm Caden of House Brent.
Ugh. Always...
How about I fully feel you then, sweet lass? And...
Oh my. I've met not even one of the Matharian boys.
Allow me to lend aid, princess.
Yes. That...
A bastard boy.
I don't wish to go through with it. I'm not ready. 7, help!
Sire,
I'll wear it so no...
I'm looking for the Mitharian brother. Kaelin.
Forgive...
A quorum representing...
Oh, gods! This...
It is but a marriage.
It's not the marriage I fear. It's the...
I knew a scheme once.
I've spoken too much.
What does it?
I'm looking for the Mitharian.
You know not who I am.
Your name is known to...
I am the...
A quorum representing House Fentonthorn.
A choice!
Well, you thought wrong.
Fuck you! And
you'd best mind your tongue.
I could have my father sever your neck from your Be gone, peasant!
Have you finished speaking to the Mitharian boys? Do they seem suitable
Aye, princess. They are most...
Then speak. Who in your eyes is the most worthy match for my hand?
To be truthful, princess.
By the gods, I thought the same. The way you spoke earlier of being my... daddy. But I am unsure if this is wise. I'm old...
I care not, princess.
Then it is decided. Gladly I would take you as my husband. Please speak to my father, the king, and tell him of your...
Dear boy.
She and I together have come to a... She will not marry a Mitharian boy.
What? You? Though in truth, I would feel relieved. I don't know what it is, but I try.
I will not fail.
Go tell Lord Mitharian of the wedding. A bastard boy.
A comb-bearing message from the...
Does it look like I care what offend?
How may I entertain you?
I tire of... Now, go bring...
Withdrawal is coming.
Yo, bruh, you wanna play?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Would you rather be able to speak only in
Twingy?
Would you rather have to call every woman you meet mama?
Have to call them up?
Would you rather have to E-date?
E-date.
Would you rather fumble a 10?
I'll fumble.
Probably because you... Would you rather have the father figure that was...
I'd rather...
Nah.
Welcome to Pick Me Pizza.
Pick any topic?
Oh, Jesus, you're a streamer. So...
Fuck you. I ain't...
You're all the same. And one day...
Welcome to Pick Me Pizza, where you...
Yo, my chat told me this place is a front.
What are you talking about?
I know Hillary Clinton's funding this place, bro.
Ha! Very funny. Very good. No pizza for you. Come back one...
Bitch at pizza nuts. Yo, so I'm recording a... Nah, dumbass. Origami book.
Even if that...
Bro, what are you, a...
So you leave me alone.
Hey man, you need view bot? I
wasn't allowed. Inserts, boys.
Hello, welcome in.
What the fuck did you just...
Yeah, see, I don't know where you've been.
Rolling what, bruh? Fuck it.
This is stream. We have over 100.
Yeah, maybe you...
Sure can.
I bet. I'm Caden.
Okay, Caden. Once you have enough viewers.
Good afternoon, class. Let's begin. Welcome to Stream Academy. You will learn the fundamentals of streaming. We shall waste no time, so pay close attention.
Is this gonna be on the test?
We've not... You, the student who...
I'm Caden Brantley, bruh. Top streamer.
I'm sure. Mr. Brentley, What does it mean to be funny? Room 4.
Room for these nuts in your mouth.
Impressive. Equation number 1. Random.
I ain't good at equations with letters.
No. Unexpected things trigger something.
Oh, okay, so like I show haste barking randomly. Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Exactly. But equation number 2.
Loud!
Almost. AK. For your first assignment.
Oh my god, that's so many viewers.
Yo, bro.
Oh, this place been open for a...
Alright, well, you...
Oh, hell yeah, dude. I'm only...
Yeah, that's a good...
Wait, what?
Nah, bro.
Why are you here then, if you already know how to
Because this is...
Oh, no!
Mr. Brentley.
What's your problem?
Huh? What's your problem?
Bro, what the fuck?
Alright, dude.
The fuck you doing walking? Yeah, get joy baited.
Hey, stop right there. Yeah, busted, buddy. You came here to meet an underage boy, you sick fuck?
Oh, God. No. I fucking knew it, man. I fucking knew it. Listen, he told me he was 8.
What were you trying to do, huh? What were you trying to do with that kid, you sick fuck?
I was just gonna carry him in fortified...
Yeah, then carry him to the bed.
Bruh, chill. I was fucking with you.
What? We got the... Bro, he ran. He freaking got away.
Oh, so you guys...
You look pretty...
Down, bruh.
Alright, go flirt with some dudes and see if...
Maybe I should go pick one up first.
Humiliation ritual. But public shame don't scare me. I wear the... Humiliation ritual, but... I'm a big, fat, overgrown baby who wets my diaper. Look at me. I'm replaceable. Look at me. Yo, bruh, the hell'd you do?
I was terrorizing these Japanese people in here, bro. What? Who fucking cares?
Well, clearly you ain't doing that no more. Yo, mall cop, free my boy.
Bitch-ass pussies kicked me out. Bro,
Damn, so like, does doing this shit get you a lot of views?
Yeah, I'll do whatever the fuck I want. Makes you people talk about me.
You
can't arrest me for this shit.
Sir, please.
Japano-washed country on God, we about to drop another Pearl Harbor on you bozos. Dialysis, 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 dialysis.
Ni hao, fat ass.
That was Chinese. I'm Japanese.
Alright, lunch break's over, bro.
I really am not in the mood, dude.
So do all you Japanese guys, I ain't about that. I'm trying to...
Bro, you're being mad.
Yo, careful, little bro. I'm about to...
Bro, I was literally born here.
Hey, fine shit. You Japanese?
Yeah, but...
Nice. I've been looking for a Japanese wife. I'm down.
Dude, I was born here.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. Anyway, I just love how y'all... Yo, so like, you're into...
Bro, what the hell is wrong with you?
You talk back too much. Hey, take my order. I want some food.
Welcome, sir. We have a...
Bro, what the fuck did you just call me? No.
I do not understand. Would you like...
I'm white, so I can't say it, but give me that second...
Yes, sir. One... Here you go, sir. Please enjoy.
Are you taking the fucking piss, mate? You trying to poison me? It's for...
Yes, sir. That is...
You're a chef. Fucking cook, you donkey.
Sir, please be cool.
You're the one serving raw-ass fish. I'm calling the safe...
Sir, you are being...
Whatever, I don't give a fuck, bro. Shit tastes like...
They said they're gonna charge me with 8 counts of conspiracy. Give me a fine and let me go, bitch.
Hey, welcome to Wait, are you a streamer? That's a streaming
Yeah, bro, I'm Caden Brentley.
Oh shit, you're Caden! You're the one who can't believe you're in my shop, bro. You looking to adopt a pet today?
Sure, bro.
Nah, not for money. Toss the shop a shout out. Then I'll...
Bro, do you know how famous I am? You're in...
Okay, fine. Feel free to walk up and take any of the...
That shit's boring, bro.
Fuck it. Sure, man. You can adopt any of... Those ones are dope. They'll bring in...
Nah, that still ain't an...
Sorry, man. That's all we have.
Listen, bruh. I'm dead ass.
Dude, relax. Fine. Take this...
Ain't no way bro is named Eugene.
Hey, can I get a picture?
Sup, fine shit. I'll give you more than a picture. Let's make a...
Oh, no, I...
Picture our life together, though, girl. I could make...
I'm not, like, into you. I just wanted a picture so I could show my friends who hate watch you because you're dumb.
Fuck you, bitch. You mid anyway.
Thanks for the picture. You'll always be irrelevant.
Would it be funny if I took a picture?
What the heck? You can't be back.
I'm Caden Brentley, bro.
You can't be in my lab.
Damn right I am, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, why the fuck is everyone here a wannabe streamer? Alright, shout out to you.
Thanks, friend. Open the... Go ahead. Open the far right gate. I'm about to blow. Do you like them? My precious wolves?
Still ain't enough. Hook me up.
Are you kidding me? I gave you...
Yes, bro. Quit stealing.
Okay, but look. There's no... You gotta turn stream off real quick.
I got you, bro. I promise.
Okay. The bears are big.
Yeah, bears are what?
Dude, I can't
Bro, you seen how cool...
Listen, you do not have a...
Hey, welcome in.
Nah, I'm looking for my future wife and find shit.
You are not it.
You ain't even giving me a chance.
I don't care. Hey, let me know if you...